Hi everyone. Thanksgiving week, and I'm making sweet potato casserole. What I have here is 3 pounds of sweet potatoes that I roasted in the oven for an hour and a half. And now I'm ricing them. I baked the sweet potatoes for about an hour and a half at 350. You peel them and you rice them. This is 3 pounds of sweet potatoes, to which I'm going to add a half a stick of room temperature butter, a 1/4 cup of white sugar, and 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, a tablespoon or a teaspoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a half a cup of heavy cream, and a 1/3 cup of flour to thicken it up a little bit. You mix all this together. Now there are 2 ways you could top the casserole. My grandchildren, of course, like the marshmallows. But you could do a streusel topping, which is also very good. The recipe will be on the bottom. I take mini marshmallows and I put them on top like the last 10 minutes. Now I'm prepping this in advance. You could prep it a day or 2 in advance. I have my baking spray. So here we go. Now, if you're using the streusel, you would just sprinkle it on top. The recipe will be below the video for the streusel. If you're using the marshmallows, just the last 10 minutes in the oven, you sprinkle about a cup or 2. Just cover it all and put it back in the oven for like 10 minutes, but watch it. You don't want it to burn. So, on Thanksgiving Day, I will put this in the oven at 350 for about an hour and 15 minutes. And when it comes out, you're gonna love it and you're gonna thank me. Until next time, oh, bon appetit.